Alright, what up? Woke Havoc in the cut, in the scene, on the block. You already know we got about 60,000, no, 80,000 gold for an accident. My mom done got mad at me and shit. And they mean to. I was trying to press the one on the top, but I got a lot of shit. And I think she got her money back, but I got this flying car in the background. I leveled up my, let me see. Leveled up my skills, mostly out of them. So it's like upgrade 12. We upgraded like a lot of these, bro. The running one is upgraded. Like, it's definitely different from the last video. I'm gonna show you the new things I got and just test them out and tell you if it's worth it or not. Copy. I got the bus because it was cheap as fuck. If y'all know about the spin the wheel, got 50% off on that shit. So I got this much. I got fucking had the radiation suit, and I got this one, the mummy. I go with the mummy. I go with the. Let's say go for again. I go with this one. Most see niggas when I got this one. What else I get? Oh yeah. Clothes, not really. Didn't get no clothes at all. But I could have wanted to. I still know how to use radiation. I just wanna show off my cars and shit. It's just the other thing is just to fucking, yeah, some bullshit. Uh, I'll show you what else I got right now again. So I got those two costumes, dog, and I'll show you the rest right now, bro. Hold on, yo. It's gonna take a minute. Hopefully not. Big more hair. Check out the mohawk. That shit looks stupid. Wavy, afro. Nah, fuck with afro. I like the buzz cut. Buzz cut with the fuck. I go with the braids. That nigga ugly as a bit. You know what the mature one. It's a little baby dog. This nigga ugly as shit. We're gonna go with this one just for the fuck of it. Está feo el hijo de puta. Ok, vamos a ir, lo voy a comprar. Parece como bebé, güey, no mames. Está feo el hijo de puta. Alright, yeah. Got this shit ready. Ya tú sabes, ya tú sabes. Let's start, bro. So I went from 80,000 gold to fucking 7,000. That's crazy, dog. That was like 60 bucks wasted. Sorry, man. I'm really sorry. I wish I got the money back, but let me show you all the guns and shit. out this one. You know, film me in a YouTube video, dog. Appreciate it, though.
Alright, bro. Hold on, bud. It's open.
I think they were trying to kill me, but they can't find. There's one of them. He didn't leave it at 55, so he was able to hear me. And most of the time I be talking low, so I'm ready to put it at 50. What y'all think, bro? I also upgraded my guns. I fully upgraded the CBR and the shotgun. WF-15. You'll see the face, something different. That's where I keep the gun in the pouch. And I got the flying car, yo. It's one of my favorite ones. That's the Louis Vuitton. I don't remember that shit. Watch, the car flies. Bro, watch. Ever since I've gotten this car, everybody else wants to get the car. Everybody else wants to get the car. Good night. Everybody else wants to get the car. And, what else? Man, my bad, y'all. Fucking me. Like I was saying, this car is pretty, like, fucking badass. Watch, check this out. Look, I can fly over shit with. And then, I don't know why every time I record it, I want to just make some noise, damn. I know she don't mean to, damn it. Who cares? I'll edit it out. I ain't tripping. It's my mom, bro. I ain't gonna be worried about that. I love my mom, man. Yeah, I love y'all mother, man. Y'all some assholes, bro. Give a hug to y'all mom, cause y'all never know when y'all see her. Or when you'll see her again. Trust me, nigga. Going outside is dangerous, bro. Especially around here. For me, dog. Shit, I got problems with people more.
Dog, I had a hard time driving this shit.
Ain't no game until you start getting shot at or start getting chased down with your own fucking knife. But look at this shit. So I'm gonna show you another one before it gets too late. I'm gonna just jump off. That's a brother, I ain't die. I'm gonna lock these cars because I want them taking none of my shit. I got another car. So I'm telling you, bro, I got a lot of shit at the Vandal. Let's go by order. Watch, check this one out. Pretty badass. And you already know how to put something expensive as interior. Look at the interior, look at the rims. It's just a little bit slower on my end. I think I got the track. Hopefully I did. Not the fastest car, but it's a good car. You just want to chill. Just drive around the city. Definitely, if you want to escape the ops, you're gonna need a fucking another car. Oh shit. Let's take this guy. Let's try to fuck him. Yeah, we can this one. Alright, bitch. Alright, bitch, nigga. I know where he's at. Let me get my revenge, cause I'm not going out like that. But I don't know, so I'm not going out like that. Let me get another car. Try another one. We got the flipper, so it's coming back. You just don't fuck with me. Watch that motherfucker. He run from a fight. I don't know why he wants to fight me. He's not gonna win. Alright, let's go flip niggas over. That's fucking shit. Go. This shit makes niggas mad. Woo! Damn, bro, that's just some fun. Fine, give me one thing. I'm sure the rest of my cars. I'm done with this video at the party bus. So what to do with time? Bro, you're fucking up my YouTube video, bitch ass nigga. Now you're gonna fucking die, dog. You think it's following the other side? I'm just trying to show you guys. But I don't wanna go past it, but I ain't no pussy. But you need to be annoying, for. So yeah, I saw that one. That one you guys already know about the party bus, bro. The Cyclone. Modified in my way. Also, rocket launcher fully upgraded, you already know. This is about that. Oh shit. How, bro? That shit's stupid, dog. Watch I got him right here, stupid ass nigga. Bro, are you fucking serious, dog? Yeah, I've seen this motherfucker, man. Yeah, I've seen it. Gang war. Just came from everywhere, dog. Just fucking annoying. Yeah, I'm about to go to passive and shit. So I can show you all those things. And then we're gonna drag this out. DLC, this one, look at this one. Badass, huh? Go back to regular. Ain't no bitch. Look at this damn place right there. We got like 3 more to show.
Oh, so I like it. Oh, so cool. Adorable.
Look at this one. This one's badass. I could drive 3 people on me. Someone's in the back and someone on the side of me. So yeah, I already know. Hop in, I'm making a YouTube channel. YouTube video, I mean. Fuck y'all, everybody smoke. You trying to hop in? Whatever, bro. I'm just making a fucking YouTube video on these fucking cars I got. Oh, this nigga. Alright, I'll get you back, bitch ass fool. You're done for, dog. Where you at, ho? Well, can I make a fucking video in peace? God damn, dog. Alright, so now we got that one. You know this one. I'm not good with this one. I think that's it. And then the black bird. Bro, can I make a fucking YouTube video in peace, my nigga? Straight up. I'll give you the ones right now. Hold on. Finish recording this shit.
So 1v1 right now.
Hold on, nigga. I said I'm almost done recording. Do you hear me?
Alright, go ahead. I wait for you.
I'm about to end this shit, man. Cause no
Go to my
1v1.
location. Go to my location.
Alright, say less. I'm about to end this shit. Don't pull no dumb shit though, bro. I'm done with this shit. I'll catch you on the next one.